We all know Africa is home to a rich diversity of animals that are adapted to a wide variety of different habitats, a wide variety of wildlife, including some of the most recognizable and alluring species on the planet, can be found throughout Africa. African wildlife is rich and fascinating, with creatures like majestic elephants and lions, swift cheetahs, and nimble antelope. Before we move forward with the video, please subscribe my channel to never miss my videos. 1. The largest terrestrial animal on the planet. African elephants can be found all over sub-Saharan Africa. Savanna elephants, Loxodonta africana, and forest elephants are the two species of African elephants, Loxodonta cyclotis. They are renowned for their enormous size, sharp intellect, and friendly disposition. African elephants can weigh up to 7 tons and have a shoulder height of up to 13 feet. They use their long trunks for a variety of purposes, such as drinking water, grasping food, and interacting with other elephants. They have large, fan-shaped ears that help them regulate their body temperature. Elephants in Africa are herbivores and can eat up to 300 pounds of plants every day. They have also been seen to exhibit behaviors that suggest they have a keen emotional and social awareness. They are also very intelligent. 2. Sub-Saharan Africa is home to the African hippopotamus, or hippo for short. It is a sizable semi-aquatic mammal. The hippo is one of Africa's most lethal animals, despite its enormous size and friendly exterior, and it has killed more people than any other large mammal on the continent combined. The third largest land animal after the African elephant and the white rhinoceros. Hippos can weigh up to 4.500 kilograms, 9.900 ounces. They have 2 teeth that can extend up to 50 centimeters, 20 in length, a huge head, short legs, and a body that is formed like a barrel. Its thick, gray or brown skin can be up to 6 centimeters, 2.4 thick in certain places. Hippos eat grass and other plants at night because they are predominantly herbivores. They spend the most of the day in the water to stay cool and stay out of the sun. They can hold their breath underwater for up to 5 minutes and are strong swimmers. Hippos are very territorial and can be very aggressive, even though they generally have a calm disposition. 3. The Nile crocodile. A sizable species of crocodile that receives its name from the Nile River, is present throughout sub-Saharan Africa. One of the world's largest crocodile species. Its males can grow up to 6 meters, 20 feet, long and weigh more than 1,000 kilograms, 2,200 pounds. The Nile crocodile is an apex predator with a reputation for being fierce and opportunistic. They wait by the water's edge for their victim to arrive for a drink or a swim, since they are ambush hunters. They can seize and hold onto their prey with the help of their formidable jaws, which are equipped with up to 68 razor-sharp teeth. They are able to take down enormous prey like wildebeest and zebras because they have teeth that can also break bones. Nile crocodiles, despite their terrifying image, are an essential component of the ecology, helping to control prey species populations and preying on carrion. They are considered as sacred animals in various civilizations and have cultural significance in many African communities. 4. Sub-Saharan Africa is home to the powerful, enormous African buffalo, also referred to as the Cape buffalo, together with elephants, lions, leopards, and rhinoceroses. They are regarded as one of the big 5 game species and are sought-after prey for big game hunters. The sociable African buffalo are found in vast herds that might number in the hundreds or even thousands. They can weigh up to 900 kilograms and have a thick, stocky physique, 2,000 ounces. Large, curving horns on both sexes are employed for dominance struggles within the herd, as well as defense against predators. Despite eating just plants, African buffalo are among the continent's most lethal creatures and are to blame for more hunter fatalities than any other large game species. They have a reputation for acting erratically and will charge when they feel surrounded or threatened, sometimes even without being provoked. 5. The woodlands of Central and Eastern Africa are home to the enormous, ground-dwelling African gorilla. African gorillas come in 2 species, the eastern and western gorilla, each of which has 2 subspecies. The eastern gorilla, which is the largest living primate, can weigh up to 200 kilograms, 440 ohms. They have a large, muscular frame, lengthy arms, and a broad chest. The term silverback refers to males who are larger than females and who occasionally have a characteristic coat of silver-gray hair on their backs. The main sources of food for herbivorous African gorillas are leaves, shoots, fruits, and bark. Being sociable creatures, they live in packs, with a dominant male silverback in charge of the females and their young. Because they spread seeds and aid in the growth of plants, gorillas are crucial to sustaining the ecosystem's health in the forest. Unfortunately, their populations have fallen owing to habitat degradation, poaching, and disease, and all subspecies of African gorillas are designated endangered or critically endangered. 6. Sub-Saharan Africa is home to the huge carnivorous African lion. Their unique manes, which are exclusively found on male lions, make them the second largest surviving cat species after the tiger. Being sociable creatures, lions form groups called prides, which include multiple females and their young, as well as one or more males. The males are in charge of guarding the area of the pride and defending the females and young from harm. The apex predators in Africa, lions can kill huge prey like zebras, wildebeest, and buffalo. They are also opportunistic predators who will chase smaller prey like rodents and birds or scavenge on the carcasses of larger animals. 7. The black rhinoceros and the white rhinoceros are the two kinds of rhinoceros found in Africa. Both species are huge, herbivorous animals with characteristic horns that are native to sub-Saharan Africa. There are only about 5,500 black rhinoceros left in the wild, making them a severely endangered species. They have a sharp, prehensile top lip that is specialist for browsing on leaves and twigs, and they are smaller and more aggressive than white rhinoceros. The number of white rhinoceros left in the wild is approximately 18,000, making it a species that is almost extinct. They have a wider, square-shaped mouth that is suitable for eating on grasses and are larger and more sociable than black rhinoceros. 8. Sub-Saharan Africa is home to the medium-sized carnivorous African leopard. They are extremely versatile and can be found in a range of environments, including mountains, deserts, savannas, and woods. The power and agility of African leopards, which are solitary and elusive creatures, are well known. They can drag food that weighs more than twice their own body weight into trees to keep it safe from other predators, since they are good climbers. Due to their opportunistic hunting style, leopards will take advantage of many different creatures, such as antelopes, monkeys, and small mammals. They occasionally attack livestock and even people, and they are known to scavenge on the carcasses of other animals. 9. The sub-Saharan African wild dog is a highly sociable carnivorous mammal that also goes by the names African painted dog and Cape hunting dog. They are among the most critically endangered big carnivores in Africa, with only 5,000 individuals thought to still exist in the wild. The unusual coat patterns of African wild dogs, which vary from individual to individual, and their exceptionally effective hunting techniques are well known. They hunt in packs, coordinating their movements and exchanging information with one another through elaborate vocalizations and body language. Due to their opportunistic hunting style, African wild dogs will consume a wide range of species, including antelopes, zebras, and even larger creatures like wildebeest. They have also been observed eating animal carcasses. 10. A sizable species of monitor lizard that is indigenous to the island of New Guinea and its neighboring islands is the crocodile monitor lizard, commonly referred to as the Papua monitor. They are the largest species of lizard in New Guinea and can reach lengths of 3 meters, 9.8 feet. Because of their similarity to crocodiles with their long, strong tails and pointed teeth, crocodile monitor lizards have earned their common moniker. They hunt for prey like birds, rodents, and even other lizards in trees because they are arboreal and spend much of their time there. Crocodile monitor lizards are uncommon as pets and are rarely seen by people in the wild because of their size and aggressive behavior. They still remain a significant species in their natural habitat and are essential to the ecosystems of New Guinea and the nearby islands. Due to human activities including deforestation, agriculture, mining, and urbanization. African wildlife is suffering from considerable habitat loss and degradation, one of the biggest risks to the survival of many African animal species, including elephants, lions, rhinoceroses, gorillas, and many others, is the loss and fragmentation of natural habitats. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and comment how informative was the video. Till then, watch our next video.